How to get rid of a sinus infection without antibiotics. Sinusitis is an inflammation of paranasal sinuses, most commonly due to an infection, underlying allergy or various autoimmune processes. The sinuses are small cavities in the skull that are normally filled with air. Sinusitis is an inflammation of the tissue that lines these cavities. In some cases, the swelling of this tissue blocks off the entry of the sinuses, trapping mucus and air inside them. This can cause pain in the cheeks, runny nose, headache over the forehead region, and heaviness. Sometimes, it may lead to a superadded bacterial infection. Acute sinusitis resolves in 4 weeks, whereas chronic sinusitis goes beyond 12 weeks and may keep on recurring for years. However, in most cases, sinusitis can be easily treated, even without antibiotics. Part 1: Using verified home remedies. Flush your sinuses. Nasal irrigation with salt water can help in clearing the mucus and keeping your sinuses moist. There are different ways of doing this, ranging from bulb syringes and neti pots to pricey irrigation systems. Regardless of your preferred method, it is necessary to wash the irrigation device after each use and leave it open to air dry. You can flush each day routinely and may do it twice a day when you have an active infection. To use a neti pot. Dissolve a teaspoon of sea salt in 2 cups of warm water. The salt will help dissolve the mucus that is blocking the communicating path between the sinus and the nasal cavity. Standing over a sink, fill the neti pot with 1 cup of water and place the tip of the spout into one nostril. Tilt your head to the side and allow the water to run out through the opposite nostril. Careful not to tilt your head back and up, or the water will reroute down your throat. Refill the neti pot and repeat with the other nostril. Repeat 2 times each day. However, remember not to use this remedy for more than 2 weeks, as you can damage your nasal mucosa. Breathe in steam vapors. Some people find that inhaling steam can be very soothing in the management of acute sinusitis. One way to use steam treatment is to fill a bowl with steamy hot water. Then lean over the bowl in a comfortable position and drape a towel over the bowl and your head to keep the steam in. Relax and breathe in the steam for about 10 minutes at a time. You can repeat this several times a day. Be careful not to scald your face by touching the water. You can even run the shower and sit in the bathroom and breathe deeply. The steam vapors will help in reducing the congestion and swelling of the nasal passages. Apply heat to the area. Place a warm, wet towel on your face to help in relieving some of the heaviness from your sinuses. If the area is heated, blood flow will increase, and the fluid inside the sinus cavity can be more easily drained. Tiger warmer is one of the most commonly used remedies for sinus problems in Chinese medicine. The tiger warmer is a device used for heating an affected area. Use this Chinese device as often as you wish to help get rid of your sinus problems. Use dried or fresh oregano. The primary benefits of oregano are due to its carvacrol and rosmarinic acid content. Both compounds are natural decongestants and histamine reducers that can have direct, positive benefits on the respiratory tract and nasal passage airflow. Oregano can be used for cooking in dried as well as fresh form. A few drops of oregano oil in milk and juice can be taken each day for health benefits, too. The volatile oils in oregano, namely thymol and carvacrol, have shown to inhibit growth of bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. These 2 types of bacteria are common culprits when it comes to sinus infections. Try eucalyptus. The antiseptic properties of eucalyptus can help shrink the swollen tissues lining your nasal passages and sinuses. Eucalyptus is a common ingredient in cough lozenges and syrups, and its effectiveness is due to a compound called cineol. You can also pour a few drops of oil in hot water and inhale the steam for relief from your sinus infection. Cineol has numerous health benefits. It's an expectorant, can ease a cough, fights congestion, and soothes irritated sinus passages. Eucalyptus oil has anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties. Eucalyptus oil vapor acts as a decongestant when it is inhaled and hence, can be used in treatment of sinusitis as well. Take grapefruit seed extract. The grapefruit seed extract is a powerful antibiotic and is used to inhibit microbes, parasites, bacteria and viruses. It is also a very good antifungal and hence can be used in sinusitis that can be of any origin. Grapefruit seed extract is available in pill, powder and liquid form. The recommended dose of grapefruit seed extract for general health promoting purposes is 10 to 20 drops of liquid or 200 milligrams of powder or pills, 3 times daily. There are no serious adverse side effects reported from grapefruit seed extract, however it may interact with certain medications such as statin drugs, so talk to your doctor before taking it. Eat more thyme. Thyme produces thymol, the powerful antiseptic oil which is classified as naturally antibiotic and antifungal. Thyme tea has the power to chase away and eliminate bacteria and viruses, so whether your infection is based on either, it may work. To help fight infection in your nose, sinuses and lungs, inhale thyme vapors. Bring a pot of water to a vigorous boil, then turn off the burner. Place a few drops of thyme oil in pot of steaming water, and wait for 5-10 minutes, or until the steam isn't too hot. Cover your head with a towel, and inhale the vapors. However, be careful not to expose your skin to steam that is too hot. Add more turmeric to your dishes. Thanks to a powerful compound found in turmeric known as curcumin, turmeric can heal the sinus cavity and clear the airways. Its ability to treat sinus infections is just one of its many benefits. Turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great natural cure for sinus infection. Add a dash of turmeric to add some zest to your savory dishes. What's more, you can gargle it, too. Just a dash in a cup of hot water, stirred and dissolved, will do the trick. Eat more horseradish. Horseradish contains volatile oils, notably mustard, which have antibacterial properties due to the presence of allylisothiocyanate. Because of this, it can be used in cases of sinusitis caused by bacterial infection. Add it to your favorite dishes or use it as a dip to reap its benefits. Horseradish encourages your body to get rid of mucus. One way a sinus infection starts is with the accumulation of thick mucus in the sinuses, which lays out the welcome mat for bacteria. Stagnant mucus is the perfect breeding ground for bacteria to multiply and cause a painful infection. Horseradish can help thin and move out older, thicker mucus accumulations. Thin, watery mucus is easier to eliminate. Avoid smoking, alcohol, and other stressors. Smoking, alcohol, and stress all can wreak havoc on your sinuses. To stay healthy, cut them all out of your lifestyle. To quit drinking and quit smoking, take it one step at a time. You don't want to tackle all of life's issues on top of going cold turkey. Baby steps will make it easier to quit and easier to stay on track. When it comes to fighting stress, consider yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. Just 15 minutes a day spent slowing down can work wonders on the rest of your entire day. Part 2: Using unverified home remedies. Make your bedroom easy to sleep in. Sinus infections are bad, but sleeping with a sinus infection is even worse. Here's a few things you can do to make the nights easier. Keep your room moistened as it helps to drain sinuses. Use a humidifier if need be. You sleep. Since mucus accumulates in the sinuses while the head is down at night, it is best to have your head propped up. Do yoga. Practically speaking, several poses are invaluable for relieving sinus pressure, namely, standing poses, The sinuses may remain blocked at first, but after some time in the poses, as you relax, the sinuses usually open up, bringing relief. Ecopota sarvangasana is also particularly good. The inversions act as a natural flushing mechanism for the blocked sinuses. The blood circulates with tremendous force into the stagnated areas, clearing away the secretions to clear the passageways and restore free breathing. Other asanas like child's pose, downward facing dog, standing forward fold, and rabbit pose are also helpful in sinusitis. Practice headstands only after the disorder is alleviated. At that point, regular practice of inversions helps keep the sinuses and respiratory tract healthy. Try apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is thought to thin and eliminate mucus, making it easier for your body to get rid of. It possesses antimicrobial properties, which aid in killing bacteria. Add cayenne pepper to your dishes. Cayenne pepper is thought to break and flush the mucus out of your sinus cavities. It has capsaicin, a stimulant that promotes proper functioning of nasal passages. Dab a few pinches of this pepper powder in the affected nostril to reap its benefits. It's best to apply it before going to bed to make sleep easier to come by. You can add it to your food, too, if your stomach and sinuses can tolerate spicy foods. However, it's more effective if it's directly in your nostrils. Eat more onion. The antifungal and antibacterial properties of onion can aid in treating sinus infection as they put up a fight against bacteria and parasites. There are two ways to utilize its power. Cut an onion into medium-sized pieces and put them in a bowl. Inhale the smell from the onion until your eyes start watering and your nose starts running. This helps to flush out the mucus, thereby relieving you of the infection. Chop some onion to be boiled. Once boiling, take it off the stove. Let it cool down a bit and then inhale the vapor for a few minutes. You'll notice mucus starting to come out from your inner nostrils. Smell the garlic. The antiviral and antifungal properties of garlic can help in treating sinusitis. Certain active components in garlic give it its pungent smell, which is particularly effective. Inhaling the odor may help to fight bacteria and fungi, which can cause sinus infections. Scordanon, a compound in garlic, is believed to enhance your body's immune power, which helps to keep infections in check. Crush 3 cloves of garlic and add them to boiled water. Inhale the steam until you start feeling relief. The steam opens blocked sinuses and drains mucus. Do it twice or thrice a day for quicker results. Drink ginger water. Gingerol, an active component of ginger, is thought to help treat sinus infections. It acts as a decongestant, and by warming up the nasal passage it can clear your blocked sinuses. Ginger tea is a good substitute. If you don't have the raw variety on hand, crush an inch of ginger and add it to a cup of water. Keep the flame low and allow it to boil until the water size reduces by half. Filter it, add half a spoon of honey to it and drink it for relief. You can have it twice a day until you are relieved of the condition. Tips: swimming in chlorine-treated pools for longer periods can cause irritation in the lining of the sinus. Avoid diving, too, as it forces water into your nose.